what are the solutions to the equation? They give you an equation and they ask you to find the solutions. Now, if you notice, the solutions are a little complex. We have fractions, we have square roots. So therefore, we probably need to use the quadratic formula. And if you try to factor it, this will not be able to be factored. Now, if you try to complete the square, you can complete the square, but it's going to give you lots and lots of fractions because of this 3. If we didn't have a 3, then we can complete the square. But in this case, we are using the quadratic formula. X equals opposite b, opposite b, opposite b. That's a negative 4 becomes a positive 4. Plus or minus square root. We are going to calculate the discriminant on the side, which is b squared minus 4ac. So b is b squared minus 4ac. In this case, b is negative 4, a is 3, and c is 4. From here, you simplify. So negative 4 squared is 16. Remember, whenever you square a number, always gives you positive. That gives you a negative 12 multiplied by 4. So it gives you 16 minus 48. That will give you negative 32. So we have negative 32. Now, from here, we can actually just select the answer. This is positive, so your first number should be positive. So D and A are gone. And because there's a negative inside the square root, we should end up with a I, so therefore your answer should be B. But let's go and finish the problem. That'll be all over 2A. A is 3. Now, I'm going to simplify my square of 32. My square of negative 32 will be, because of the negative, will be square of negative 1. And I can do the factors of 32, which are 8 times 4, 4 and 2, 2 and 2. And the 4 is 2 and 2. So therefore it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. I'm going to take out my twins. That gives me this in the I, because of the square of negative 1. That gives me a 2. I'm going to take out my twins. That gives me another 2. And inside we have a lonely 2. So I'll be 4i square root of 2. Or you have done 16 times 2. Square of 16 is 4, and there's 2 inside. So I'm going to separate my fraction. I'll be 4 over 6 plus or minus 4i square root of 2 over 6. So notice that they both are divided by 6. I'm going to reduce my fraction, so it gives me 2 over 3 plus or minus 2 over 3 I square root of 2. And that is the full answer. So your answer will be B.